November 23, 1962, a United Airlines Vickers Viscount lifts off from Newark, bound for Atlanta with 17 people on board. But over the quiet woodlands of Georgia, tragedy strikes in a way so bizarre, so unlikely, that it will shock the entire aviation world. This is the story of United Airlines Flight 297, the crash that revealed a deadly vulnerability hidden in the skies. United Flight 297 was a routine passenger service, connecting the busy Northeast with the South. The aircraft, a Vickers Viscount 745D, was a reliable turboprop known for its speed and efficiency. On board that autumn afternoon were 13 passengers and 4 crew members, including Captain Milton R. Kiefer, a skilled pilot with over 14,000 hours of experience. At 6:07 p.m., the Viscount departed Charlotte, North Carolina, on its final leg toward Atlanta. The weather was calm, visibility was clear. To all on board, it seemed like an ordinary flight. 30 minutes into the flight, the aircraft was cruising at 6,000 feet, just north of Newman, Georgia. Air traffic control received no distress calls, no signs of trouble. Then suddenly, the plane vanished from radar. The Viscount slammed into a heavily wooded area, erupting in flames. There were no survivors. In the aftermath, investigators from the Civil Aeronautics Board arrived at the crash site. They were puzzled. There was no radio warning, no mid-air explosion, no storm to blame. What could bring down a modern airliner so suddenly? The wreckage told a strange story. The fuselage was relatively intact, but the tail section had sheared away. Investigators soon found something unusual lodged in the wreckage: a large bird carcass. The culprit was not mechanical failure, but nature itself. Bird strikes were not unheard of in aviation, but almost all occurred near airports, during takeoff or landing, when planes were low and slow. This, however, was different. At 6,000 feet, Flight 297 struck a massive whistling swan, weighing nearly 15 pounds, flying at high speed. The impact was catastrophic. The bird smashed directly into the horizontal stabilizer, the small tail wing that keeps an aircraft stable in flight. In a split second, the stabilizer was torn from the plane. With no balance or control, the Viscount pitched violently downward. The crew had no chance to recover. The crash of Flight 297 sent shockwaves through the aviation community. If a single bird could destroy a passenger aircraft in mid-air, what did that mean for the safety of air travel? Until then, certification tests for aircraft had not considered large bird strikes at high altitudes. The Viscount had been designed to withstand normal turbulence and mechanical stress, but not a direct hit from a swan at nearly 300 miles per hour. Flight 297 exposed a deadly oversight. Aircraft were vulnerable to high-energy bird collisions. In the months that followed, regulators and engineers worked to address the danger. Bird strike testing became more rigorous. Engines, windshields, and critical control surfaces would eventually be required to withstand impact from large birds. This tragedy also led to better wildlife management around airports, radar studies of bird migration, and, decades later, new safety protocols. But for the families of the 17 souls lost that November day, the lessons came at a heartbreaking cost. United Airlines Flight 297 remains a haunting reminder of how even the smallest elements of nature can bring down the mightiest machines of human engineering. It was an accident that reshaped aviation safety, born from a collision between technology and the natural world. As we look to the skies today, every reinforced cockpit window, every tested stabilizer, every wildlife control program carries the legacy of those lives lost. If you found this story powerful, share it to keep their memory alive and to remind us that every safety measure we take was built on lessons written in tragedy. This was United Airlines Flight 297, a sequence of events so unlikely, yet so deadly, that it changed aviation forever. Subscribe to Fatal Sequence for more stories of the hidden lessons behind aviation's darkest hours.